In this video, we're going to be going over the elbow commands found on the BIMrx Fabrication tab under the Fab Routing panel. Before we start using the commands, I want to show you how we would do this out of the box using fabrication parts. So you would have to go to your elbow found on your pallet, place it and rotate it into place and or afterwards, depending on which angle you're trying to go. And then you would need to place a small piece of pipe. Originally, it's going to put a full stick, so you would have to change the length value here and then place it onto your elbow. With the elbow commands, it automatically is going to do that, plus add a small short piece to use for routing. And this is going to be based off the way the pipe was drawn. This was from left to right. So if I want to go down on the page right now in plan view, it's going to be an elbow right. Click on the open node, and it automatically added that elbow plus a short piece for you in one step. Now, if I tried to add an elbow from this service to this service here, it's going to let me know the services do not match. I need to switch the service and then add another elbow. This command automatically inherits the correct service and adds a short piece based off that service as well. So you can see I can just keep going down, do another elbow right, and keep going. And it automatically inherited that service, plus added any joints required for the system. So this required a Viega Pro Press joint to get connected. To add a riser, it's very similar. You would need to add it, face it upward, and then place a pipe. If I wanted to go straight up, I would do elbow up, and you'll see that it added that riser for us. Now, this can be done in a plan view. This can be done in a 3D view. This is especially important in a congested area, such as like a mechanical room that you would be stick building anyways. So we'll see here. You can do this in a 3D view, but this time we're going to do an elbow up 45 instead. So it added that short piece. If you wanted a smaller short piece than what is being drawn currently, you would go to the Fab Routing, BIMrx Fabrication settings, and this is where you would set that length. So if I wanted maybe 6 inches instead of 1 foot, click OK. And I'm just going to draw another elbow off of this one here. And you'll notice that it's actually a 6-inch piece instead of the 1 foot piece. This also does work with slope. So if this pipe was sloped as you routed, it would maintain the slope. If you went straight up 90, it would obviously not put the slope and it would be a straight up and down angle. Let's just do a few more. Let's do an elbow down. You'll see that it put that short piece in automatically for you, and then you can easily start drawing. If that were to put the 20-foot piece in, you would have to grab it, find that bottom node, readjust it, and then be able to modify it here in our section box. These are extremely handy, especially when you're doing this 100+ times a day.